If you want to turn off the motion photo on your Motorola phone, we are first going to go to the camera, and then once you have the camera open, make sure you're on the photo page. So if you're on the video setting, for example, make sure you're using the regular photo setting. Then you're going to tap this little down arrow here on the very top, or swipe down from anywhere on the screen. So you can swipe down like this, or tap that little arrow up there to open up the settings. Here, you'll see a toggle for something called Active Photos, and you want to turn it off. So if it was either on or on the auto setting, just turn that off, and your phone will now take regular standard still images with no motion involved. If you already have a bunch of motion photos and you want to turn those into regular still photos, you could go to Google Photos app and then open up the photo that has motion in it, and then tap these three dots up here. Now, you're either going to see an option to export, and you can export it as a still photo, or on my phone, there's an option called Save As. Tap that and I can export this now as a still photo. I'm going to hit export, and once the photo is exported, you can tap View, and you'll get your photo in a still image format with no motion involved. And that is how you turn off motion photo on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.